Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills IELTS. I'm back with it another video. Today's video is all about true, false, not given, practicing with you guys, and then I'm gonna help you understand how to solve them, what is the strategy and everything. So before we get into the video, if not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button for the future notifications. And any point of time you need online assistance, you can text us to the number given there. You can WhatsApp us. We will be there. I'll be there to help you, guide you in a right direction. All right, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. I'm going to share my screen. So I've got 12 simple, like little tricky, confusing, true, false, not given. The complexity that you get here could be similar to the one that you get in the exam. It will not be very difficult in the exam, but yes, some tricky questions will be there. So 12 questions, I'm going to give you 6 minutes. Should not take more than 6 minutes, trust me on this. So I'm going to add a timer, 6 minutes. I'm going to give you, try doing it, and once 6 minutes is done, I'm going to come back and show you the correct answers, how to do them, the approach. See, understand, everywhere else you perhaps get the questions to practice, but here you get the approach, and approach is the one that helps you climb the steps. Remember this, practicing just with your own approach may not be very fruitful. If you know the approach, if you learn the approach, it becomes very easy. All right, so I'm going to add a timer now. Let's quickly start. 6-minute test. And before you begin, if you want an 8 band, I would need 11 out of 12 minimum, not more than one mistake. No, Nakul, I'm aiming for that 7. 9 out of 12 is also fine. All right, so let's start with it. Alright, I really hope you have finished doing it. So let's understand the real approaches as to how to solve them and everything. So if you see the question, Skydive Australia has discounts available on weekends. I'm going to underline these two words. I'll not read can you feel magic. No, I want this word discount. We are waving our hands and casting a spell over the weekdays to give you a special discount for jumping during the week. Psychologically, common sense, when you think weekend full rush, no discount, it's weekday, they want to attract people. Has discounts available on weekends, 100% opposite. So whenever you think, oh, that's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie, then it's false. It is matching but in an opposite direction. If it matches exactly, it is true. If you think, oh, that person is lying, then it's a false. I'm not able to say true, I'm not able to say even the false, then it's not given. So the first one gonna be false. Alright, second one, Skydive Australia has discounts available only on weekdays. You see here, special discount for jumping during the week over the weekdays. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, not on the weekend. Is it only on the weekdays? 100% yes. Hope you are getting it, and I hope you have got the same answers as well. Alright, no discount is available if you book up to 15,000 feet tandem skydive. 15,000, 15,000. If you know discount is available, if you book up to 15,000, save 30% when you book an up to 15,000. Oh, in the question, in the paragraph rather, they are saying save $30, that's a discount price, when you book an up to 15,000 feet tandem skydive. So your no discount is available if you book up to 15. No, it's exactly a lie. They are saying we will give you $30 discount, and here you are saying no discount, no discount. So it's again false. Third one is false. It's a lie. The offer is valid only for a month. Offer validity of the offer somewhere will be there. The offer is valid on bookings made between 1st September till 20th September, October, almost close to 2 months a year. 1 month, 100%. It's a lie. When it's a lie, easy peasy. The next one, offer is valid for close to 2 months only. This is 2 months, right? From September 1st to September end, 1 month. October 1st to October 28th. It's close to 2 months, 58, 59 days. So this gonna be true. The next one, if you book before 1st of September, there is no discount available. The offer is valid on bookings made between 1st September to 20th October. Before 1st September, there is no discount. That's true, right? There is no discount available before 1st of September. Simple one. There are many codes that can be used to avail the offer. Terms and conditions, we will jump into it. They must use the code MAGIC22. That's only one code. The must use code is that. That's one code. Many codes, oh, that's a lie, that's a lie, that's a lie. When it's a lie, it's a false. Hope you're getting it. Hope you're getting it. There are some locations where the code can be used more than once. Okay, this is subject opening, only valid on weekends, excludes the following location: Surfer Paradise, White Heaven Beach, this. That means offer is not valid on these locations. But if you see, there are some locations where code can be used more than once. How many times you can use the code? Know where that information is there. So this cannot be true. This cannot be even a lie. This cannot be false. So it should be not given. Guys, hope you are getting it. This is where people go wrong. People end up writing false here. It is not given for 8th one. 9th one. If you want to go above 15,000 feet, the discount offer can still be used. Valid on up to 15,000, not above, boss. Hey, lie, why are you lying? It's a lie. So this gonna be false. It can still be used. No, you cannot use it. After availing an offer, 10th one, if you reschedule to a weekend, no need to pay anything extra. So if you are weathered out, means you're not well, and reschedule for a weekend, you must pay extra because this offer is valid only on weekday. You wanted to buy this offer on a weekday, but you rescheduled to Saturday. Can you still use it? No, boss. It is only for the weekday. You have to pay the remaining difference. No need to pay anything extra. Lie. If it is a lie, it is false. Easy peasy, isn't it? There are options to avail the discount through vouchers as well. Voucher, no gift vouchers, boss. Hey, why are you lying, man? To avail, there are options to avail via vouchers. No vouchers. They're saying no gift voucher. It is a lie. When it's a lie, it's gonna be false. If you are on a photo and video packages, you will be given extra discount. Not valid. This magic 22 is not valid on video and photo packages. If you are on a photo and video packages, you will be given extra discount. Why are you lying? Liar. If you think that person is a liar, it's a false. Any doubts, do leave in the comment section. The 12 questions, easy peasy. I hope many would have got 12. Well, if you've got 11, you are still eligible for 8 band. If you just need 7, then get above 9. If you're getting 6 or 7 here, please don't book the exam. Perhaps you need time. Alright, I really hope this video helped you. If you really like this video, click your appreciation show your appreciation rather with a thumbs up, like button, and do leave a comment as to how you felt about the video, and do leave a comment again if you want more something on this sort, more videos of something this sort. This is Nakul from Skills IELTS signing off. Very soon we'll be back. Keep watching Skills IELTS. Till then, take care. Bye bye.